What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Today I'm going to be putting together my SR head. First I'm going to be lapping the valves because they're old. So I'll show you what I got going on. So I got all my valves labeled where they need to go. Here's one of the valves. Here's the head itself. Sorry it's kind of dark in here. My lights are broken right now. Gotta get that fixed. But you can see right here. So that might be the best we can get. But as you can see, the valves are sort of pitted, the valve seats. So we're gonna be lapping in all the valves to help get rid of that. And by the time we're done, that'll be all smooth. So here's a good before. And I'll show you one after I'm done. And then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I also wanted to show you this real quick, the valve seats on the head itself. I think that's a decent picture. You can see the valve seats are sort of pitted themselves as well. It's kind of tougher to see. But they are sort of pitted, so again, that's what we're trying to get rid of. So I got the first one done. I'll show you though what they look like now. See, as you can see, the one on the left is done, and it looks a lot better than the one on the right. That one's not done yet. You can see where the difference is, and that looks pretty good. You want to make sure it's even and there's no spots that are not like sanded, if that makes sense. So that would indicate a bigger issue. So I'm happy with that. Show you the valve compared to another valve as well. Bam, that's a good picture right there. It's an obvious difference right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the next 15 other valves. I'll put that on the time lapse because that's boring, really, and I'm just gonna be accomplishing this. So, put you on a time lapse for that, and then we'll be back. Back with a quick update. I've made some good progress. I got all the exhaust valves done, and I'm working on the intake valves now. I just wanted to show you that right now these two I have not done. These two I have done. But as you can see, let's see if I can get it. Well, I can't really get it, but you can see light through this. Oh, look. Right there, bam. Look at all the light you can see through that one. That's not good. Bam, look at all that. You can see a big gap. I'm surprised that one even had compression. So as you can see, this one as well. Let's see if I can get it. This one's not as bad, but that one, that's pretty bad. You can see the light through there, right there. Sheesh. That's not good. Hopefully this is gonna fix it. Okay guys, so I got these two done right here, and we're gonna take a look again. As you can see, you can no longer see any light. So that's exactly what we want. Almost done, got these last 4 to do, and then we're on to the next step. Alright guys, so it's been a while, but finally I'm done with all grinding in the valves. Finally, so they're all good to go. Next thing I gotta do is take them out, and then clean all the ports, get them nice and clean, and then we'll go ahead and put the valves back in, put the valve guides in, put the valve springs in, put the retainers in, compress the springs, put the keepers in, and then we'll be done with this for now. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the valves out, clean it, and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so I got the valve guides here. I'm gonna just throw them in this little cup of oil, let them soak, and then I'll go and install them one by one. So here we go. Alright guys, I'm back here working on the cylinder head, and I went ahead and replaced all the intake valve guide seals because there was that one that was bad, so I just want to replace them all. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this tool right here to put the valve springs on and put the keepers in. So I'm going to do that now.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, so I got all the keepers in, so all the valves are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the lash adjusters until the head's bolted on, just because I'm gonna have to lift this up and I don't want to risk those falling out, so I'll do that later. So we got the head mostly all together. That'll be it for this video. But until next time, check out my other videos, and we'll see you later. Have a good night.